Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chinwe Izukane and this is a beauty channel and I do vlogs as well. Today is a pre-wedding makeup transformation. Yes, my client is getting married. I think you have seen her on my channel before. She is a very, regular client of mine. She's getting married and she just wanted a very simple, soft look. So I tried to keep it that way for her. I'm super excited and I'm so happy for her. Yes. So you just enjoy, watch the process, and I'll see you in the end. Okay. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and do not forget to hit the notification bell so that when there's a new video from me, you will be the first to get it. And to my new subscribers, thank you so much for joining the family. And to my friends that have always been here, I'm grateful always. Thank you so much and keep supporting your girl. All right, so just enjoy this process and I'll see you in the end. Also, all products used in creating this look will be in the description box, so please do well to check it out and also follow me on my other social media handles. Thank you. Okay, so this is the finished look. Oh my goodness, spot the glow. This is beautiful. The eyebrows popping as usual, the lips, the eyeshadow, soft and just beautiful, just the way she likes it. And I'm just so happy for her. She will make a very beautiful bride. Yes, and do you love this look? Please leave me your comments, okay, and just tell me what you think about this look. And also I organized a promo, makeup in the studio attracts a free gift, and she got her gift and she's just so happy about it. Yes, and I wish her all the best, and her union is blessed, her home is blessed. Okay, so don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching. Please let me know your favorite part of this look. Leave it in the comment section. And if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe. It's free of charge. It doesn't cost you money to subscribe. Okay? So turn on the notification bell so that when there's a new video from me, you will be the first to get it. Okay? And thank you so much for watching. And here they are. They are beautiful, right? Oh, I cannot wait to show up on that day for her. All right, I'll see you in my next one. Bye.